What is going on, everybody? It is Marky with another video, and holy cow, it has been a hot minute sitting on this couch. I hope everyone's doing well. I have an exciting video for you guys today, something that hits me dearly in the heart, and that is somewhat organized travel. And by somewhat I mean extremely, because we have two new products from a great company called Side by Side. You might remember them from the Power Pack, which is essentially a part of every single minimal kind of EDC that I've ever done since I've actually got this device. I'll leave a link into the original video, of course, down in the description. But essentially, two new great products from a company that has literally revolutionized the way I pack my electronics and I leave my humble abode to go do things that involve keys and cables and stuff. So really quick recap on the Power Pack. It's essentially a little satchel, very kind of versatile way of organizing all of your electronics. You've got room for like hard drives. I actually have two in here right now. And it's expandable, it's very, very versatile, it's compact, it leaves everything kind of in one tight little spot. Anyways, so that's the original product that kind of introduced the world to Side by Side, and today we have two new products. So I'm gonna very quickly start off with this one here, which is the travel kit. So, what is a travel kit? Why is it important? What is it? Who is it for? Let's jump right in. Okay, so first of all, you'll notice that this is a very kind of minimal, small little packet. Once you open it, you'll be greeted by a whole array of little items coming from your larger bag. And one great theme here is little reusable baggies, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, so you've got the main packaging, and then you're greeted by, like I said, a bunch of different items that are very, very exciting. Okay, and the first one that we do have here, again, small reusable baggie, is what they call a SIM card holder. Yes, of course, there's a lot of many different reuses for this. What you'll notice is the size of this little contraption. So this here is a perfect size for your wallet, and it will hold a variety of things. In your SIM card holder, you of course have a SIM card tool. You have a few slots for variety sizes of SIM cards. That being said, some of these pouches might even take a micro SD card. And when you flip it on the back, you have room for an SD card and a photo if you would like. Some areas require you to kind of make documentations on the fly, so you can always have a photo there for you to utilize. Next thing here, again in a reusable baggie, reusable clear baggie, it may I add, is their luggage tag. So why is a luggage tag important? Well, first of all, the quality of this luggage tag is actual, like it's literally, this is metal. This is a very, very heavy duty luggage tag. And one thing that's great is the amount of slots that they have for you to write your information on, just in case you move or you're staying in a different spot kind of permanently. Very protective, it's not going anywhere. And of course, the wire here is a very, very kind of secure way of securing this to your actual luggage. And there you go. The great thing why this is metal is because it's fairly unique. No one's really gonna have these out there, and you can't lose it very easily. There's no chance of this ripping because it's literally made out of metal. Okay, so far you have two small reusable baggies, a large reusable baggie, a luggage tag, and of course your handy dandy SIM card tool, wallet, card. What else do you have here? So this here, RFID pouches. So with the added kind of benefits of technology, our passports, our credit cards, our debit cards, our identification cards all come mainly with things that have tap features, so that you're able to quickly provide information as required, quickly pay for things. But there is an added risk to that someone might want to take that information and do some not so nice things, like not pay for your Starbucks. Anyways, so these are RFID little pockets that will protect your information. There's one for a passport size, and I think there's a half dozen, 5 little smaller ones that can take credit cards, ID cards, and of course, That's where they fit in, these reusable clear baggies, so you can be nice and organized. But these are actually very, very handy dandy. These might not be things that you necessarily want to keep in your pocket. Like, I don't know if you travel with 5 credit cards or whatever, but you might want to put a few of these in your suitcase, and that adds additional security in case someone is trying to scan things around you. This will just add you that little bit of security and peace of mind while traveling. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Okay, there we go. A little bit more premium, a little bit more secure. These are actual zipper reusable baggies, but you've got 5 reusable baggies. One of the other great things about all the reusable baggies is not only that they're like a solid piece, they're kind of splash proof and that you can take it to the beach, you can put your phone in and all that fun stuff, but they're clear. And why that's important is so that you know what's in it before you have to scavenge through these kind of compartments. They're clear, they're easily accessible. There you go, and whatever you need. You need some currency, you need to keep I don't know, some US dollars, some Canadian dollars. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put all of that stuff can be very, very easily accessible and readily available. 5 additional baggies. So now we're at a bunch of our RFID packets, 2 small, 1 large, and 5 additional. I'm gonna call these the zipper reusable baggies. Am I saying that right? Maybe. And hey, greetings from Hong Kong. So one great thing about Side by Side is how personable the actual brand is. When getting this information from them, they actually sent out videos, instructions. Like, it's a great, great brand, and they're sending cards. Honestly, thank you very, very much. So that's the first product that kind of adds a little bit of oomph to your organization and travel needs. I'm gonna get rid of this card and this, maybe put it on the bottom so you can actually see the products while it's on the side here. And then the next product, this is the third product from Side by Side. This is what they call, what do we call this one before I mess it up? Drybag, and it's a 10-liter dry bag. So you might be asking yourself, Mark, what does a dry bag have to do with any of this? Like, where's the connecting point? The connecting point, okay, I'll get rid of this. What else is in here? Stickers and another postcard. Appreciate that. Another large clear pouch. This is like protective material for all of your kind of technology and travel needs. You may not know this about me, but I used to do a lot of outdoor adventuring and outdoor kind of living, canoe trips, biking trips, all this fun stuff. And these bags came in clutch. So this is essentially a waterproof tote that allows you to store your items. Why is that so important? Because guess what? Sometimes it rains. Sometimes your backpack is not 100% waterproof. Sometimes you want to take this places that aren't necessarily the most pleasant for electronics, and you want to keep them a little bit more secure. You're organized, and now you're secure. So what's great about this actual size of bag, this 10-liter size, watch this, watch this. This is my 15-inch MacBook. It's like it fits on purpose. This literally will be able to take your laptops, your mice, your side-by-side gear, your whole bunch of your RFID stuff. This will be able to store everything safely and kind of keep it all dry and outside of the elements even further than what you're already doing so far. So let me show you how it works. So for example, with your laptop, you're literally just gonna slide it in, fold it through a few times, clip it in, and your laptop is now secure. This can definitely go into your backpack now, and guess what? There's still a lot of room. I want to show you guys how to actually conserve space. So here you go. Pretend like this is a camera lens. You got to bring a whole bunch of this stuff. Absolutely, no problem. You tie this up. But see how it kind of blows up? It's kind of like a little bit of a balloon. Guess what? Very easy way of fixing that. Squishing it down, getting the air out of there. There we go. There we go. It takes very, very little room. That's essentially the footprint of what we just put into there. And there you go. You're able to protect all of your stuff. And just as an experiment, let's see if with these items, I can fit my laptop in here. Yes, you can. Get some air out. There you go, look at that. So another great thing, and why I think this is a little bit different than kind of your go-to dry bags. Your dry bags are typically a lot more rubbery and a lot more kind of industrial, if you will. But this is nice, this is sleek. Black on black is really, really my vibe here. It's light, it's versatile. Like when nothing's in it, you can just very, very quickly pack it up and put it wherever you gotta put it. But yeah, this is great. This is definitely gonna be an awesome addition to my travel needs here, for sure, on top of the staple of my traveling organization. But look at this, guys. Okay, so those are the, let me stop making noise here. So those are the two new awesome products by Side by Side. It's gonna be the dry bag and of course the travel kit here. But this is great. I'm a huge fan of this. I'll obviously have links down in the description. I'm happy to be back. Wow, I'm happy to be back making videos for you guys. This is exciting. I'm very happy that I had the chance to work with Side by Side again. All of this stuff is actually useful. It's not that fluff that you don't really have a use for. Everything gets put to use here, and I'm very, very happy to share this with you guys. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comment section below. Is this something you would be interested in? Is this something that you would be looking for in your travel kind of arsenal of tools? Let me know again down in the comment section below. And if you like that video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons down below. And be sure to, of course, follow me on Twitch. We are having a lot of fun over there. It is a great time. We stream typically Monday night, Wednesday night, Friday night, and Sunday night. Friday night, Sunday nights are essentially guarantees. The Monday, Wednesday, depending on my work schedule. But typically 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern time. Sundays a little bit longer from 7 to 10. And we're out here having a great time. Anyways, thank you very much Side by Side for sending this stuff over. Again, I'll have links down in the description. But for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.